Today I'm going to be playing Roblox like usual. Let's put on I Love Dad shirt. I like this one. Look maybe look. I think this is actually good. But I don't have enough Robux. Oh. Let's go. Let's check out it all just to make sure what we want to get or what we don't want to get. Now let's think about that, but that's kind of hard. Am I right? I think we all know that. But if it's hard, it will be easier and easier and easier. Is that weird? It is a little. But soon it'll get better and better. That's kind of weird, right? But now let's just start playing this game. Like, what are we waiting for? It says logging, please wait. Let's start moving. Okay. I don't understand this game. I think I have to leave this one. Well, now let's go. This game is actually fun. I don't want to leave it anymore. Let's hit this ball far. Oh yeah, we're gonna do this. This is awesome. Is that cool? Yes, it's cool. It's awesome, awesome. It's a possum. I'm crazy. But guys, I think I don't like this game. Let's play a different game. Which game should I play? Let's go look around. Well, I don't know what to play. Let's look around more. I love Roblox. Let's do this one. Cupcake Tower. Let's start getting the jumps. Hello guys. Today I'm going to be playing Cupcake Tower. Hello guys, today I'm going to be playing Cupcake Tower. Let's try and oops, we fell. I wanted to really get those the stuff that are down there. You see those outfits? I wanted them. But I can't. I think at the end of this obby. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the end of the obby. Let's hope I do. Let's jump. Basically just have to press the jump button, let it move you. This part looks tricky. I'm gonna try it. Let's go up this ladder. Let's jump. Whoa, I'm really good at this. Oops. We accidentally fell. That's okay. We can always get up again. Bye. Like it.